एजुकेशनल रिसर्च रंगपुर मुलानिया से आप सब बच्चों का जो 8th क्लास में है और जो जैन के बोर्ड ऑफ स्कूल एजुकेशन के साथ एफिलेटेड हैं उनका आज की क्लास में जिसमें लेसन नंबर 3 है ग्लोबल वार्मिंग। ये हमने सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश से लिया है और ये जो बुक का लेसन नंबर 3 है। इसमें हम जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो कोविड-19 के बाद सेकेंड वेव में घरों में स्टे कर रहे हैं, स्कूलों से बाहर हैं, उनके लिए हमने ये लेसन बनाया है। तो आई होप कि वो सब बच्चे यूट्यूब चैनल से इसको देख सकते हैं और इसका पूरा बेनिफिट आप लोग ले सकते हो। तो लेट अस स्टार्ट आवर क्लास। इन दिस क्लास we will discuss that global warming, it is not a lesson of 8th class. It is rather a common term used today, especially in the print, electronic media. It refers to the rising average temperature of the Earth atmosphere and oceans, its related effects. मीन्स अगर मोटी बात करें तो ग्लोबल वार्मिंग आज सिर्फ 8th का टॉपिक नहीं है इंग्लिश का, ये एक जर्नल टॉपिक है जिसमें हर एक बंदा कंसर्न्ड है कि ये आज के प्रिंट और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया में जब भी कोई बात होती है इट स्टार्ट्स विद द ग्लोबल वार्मिंग। ये किसको रेफर करता है कि जो एवरेज टेम्परेचर ऑफ अर्थ है वो एटमॉस्फेयर में क्या हो रहा है, राइज हो रहा है और इसकी रिलेटेड इफेक्ट्स हमें मिल रहे हैं इन द लास्ट 100 years। मीन्स अगर पिछले 100 साल में देखें अर्थ एवरेज टेम्परेचर हैज इंक्रीज्ड बाय अबाउट 0.8 डिग्री सेल्सियस। 0.8 इंक्रीज है 100 सालों में। इंक्रीज इन द ग्लोबल टेम्परेचर विल कॉज, जैसे टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज होगा तो क्या हो जाएगा, मेल्टिंग ऑफ पोलर आइस हो जाएगी। एज ए रिजल्ट सी लेवल विल राइज because of which land adjoining to the sea will get submerged in the sea water। बेसिकली इसमें कहा गया कि जब 0.8 डिग्री टेम्परेचर बढ़ा तो धीरे धीरे जैसे बढ़ेगा तो ये सबसे बड़ा खतरा किसके लिए होगा, जो पोलर आइस इस समय डिपॉजिटेड है ऑन द पोलर एंड्स, ये मेल्ट हो जाएगी और एज ए रिजल्ट सी लेवल क्या हो जाएगा, इंक्रीज हो जाएगा। इस इंक्रीज होने से बहुत सारी लैंड जो सी के नियर है वो किस में सबमर्ज हो जाएगी, सी में, और इट विल कॉज change the amount and pattern of the precipitation and probable expansion of the subtropical deserts। means इससे deserts और बनेंगे। other likely effects of the warming include more occurrence of the extreme weather events since heat waves, drought, heavy rainfall. It also causes extinction of the many plant and animal species। कहते इससे क्या होगा, एक तो डेजर्ट्स बनेंगे, जब सबमर्ज हो जाएगा पानी लैंड को नहीं मिलेगा तो वो फर्टाइल नहीं रहेगी। अदर इफेक्ट्स क्या हो जाएंगे कि ऑकरेंस ऑफ एक्सट्रीम वेदर इवेंट्स होंगे, लाइक हीट वेव चलेंगी, ड्रॉट होगा, हैवी रेनफॉल होगा। इट कॉजेज द extinction of the many plants. The main cause of the global warming. It can rather be written, it is a summary of the lesson, but it can be treated as the essay. Main cause of the global warming is the increase in concentration of the greenhouse gases produced by human activities such as deforestation, burning of fossil fuels. In the Indian subcontinent of the Himalaya region has a glacial coverage of 33,000 square kilometers and is aptly called water tower of Asia as it provides around 8.6 million cubic meter of the water quantity। मेन कॉज ऑफ ग्लोबल वार्मिंग से क्या हो जाएगा, इंक्रीज इन कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ द ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस, जो हम किससे प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, डिफॉरेस्टेशन से, बर्निंग ऑफ फॉसिल फ्यूल्स में। इंडियन कॉन्टिनेंट की बात करें तो यहाँ पे सबसे बड़ा जो हिमालयन रीजन है वो ग्लेशियल है, जिसकी कवरेज अराउंड 33,000 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर है और इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड वाटर टावर ऑफ द एशिया। because it provides around 8.6 million cubic meter of water quantity. Many rivers and the streams arise from this glacier, which support the livelihood of the million of people in India and its neighboring countries. Human Humanity is about to face most devastating catastrophe that has been encountered since Black Death. 2 decades back, global warming was considered as a Western concept, but now its impact is visible across the globe due to the human activities. Emission of the greenhouse gases are increasing day by day. If this state keeps on moving, soon the earth will become a graveyard. ये कहा गया कि ह्यूमन की जो डिवास्टिंग कैटास्ट्रोफ है, इससे क्या हो जाएगा, ब्लैक डेथ बन जाएगी. 2 decades बैक ग्लोबल वार्मिंग एक वेस्टर्न कंसेप्ट देखा जाता था, बट नाउ इट इज क्लियरली विजिबल इन अक्रॉस द ग्लोब. Due to the human activities, emission of greenhouse gases are increasing day by day. If this state keep on moving, soon the earth will become a graveyard. So next is rapid. Jammu Kashmir is a unique in having more than 6% of the land area under freshwater ecosystem, which includes river from the Himalayan regions, lakes, springs, snow-fed reservoir, etc. As water resources of the world are facing qualitative and quantitative degradation, it is said that the future international wars will be fought on wars, water. Glacier of J&K are melting at an alarming rate. In Suru Basin, we have lost about 16% of the glacier in the last 40 years. Since Similarly, we have lost 18% of the Kolai glaciers. This results in the water scarcity. Most of the wetland that used to act as a sponge during floods are being converted into concrete landscapes. Although जम्मू कश्मीर का एक यूनिक है, क्योंकि इसमें फ्रेश वाटर जो है 6% है, which includes reservoir from the Himalayan regions, lakes, spring, and water fed reservoirs, snow reservoirs. At water reservoirs in the world are facing qualitative and quantitative degradation. In future जो bars होंगी, it is not on the oil but it is on the water, because drinking water is very low. Glacier of J&K are also melting at an alarming rate. In Suru Basin, we have lost 16% of the glacier, whereas in Kolhai Glacier, we have lost about 18%. This results in water scarcity. Most of the wetland that used to act as a sponge during floods. Rapid melting of the Kolhai glaciers in Leather Valley has evoked concern among the environmentalists, who stress for immediate measures to at least minimize its melting rate. Significant increase in human activity near the glacier is also reason for melting. In Jammu and Kashmir, the energy said that the Resource Institute has selected the Kolhai Glacier as one of the index glaciers for long-term monitoring. Scientists Scientific studies conducted on the glacier will last for 5 years, after which TARI will be recommend measures to bring the glacier recession rate. Another phenomena that has directly associated with the global warming is the occurrence of the high velocity storms in the valley, which has caused devastation to crops and fruits. Kashmir has witnessing drastic change in the precipitation as well as seasonal changes. It is now difficult to distinguish between spring and summer, also between autumn and winter season. The migratory birds have changed their cycle, while some of them stay here even during the summer. Others do not return even during winters. Many others, like cutties, have completed disappearance. So, effects, erratic snowfall, hotter summers, climatic variability and change of temperature will affect livelihoods. It also affects the plants and other animals. In the backdrop of the looming water crisis, most of the Asia, we the custodian of the water tower of Asia, cannot afford to be complacent. We need to work with other stakeholders for developing a robust strategy for the sustainable development of the water resources in the region. The child of tomorrow will bear the heavy burden of our indifferences. If we do not act today, we human do not try to reduce this problem, the human will soon be extinct from the earth. So is the need of the hour. We should make our earth green and clean. Rather, let us now move to the textual questions. Why has the Earth's average surface temperature increased? The Earth's average surface temperature has increased due to the global warming, which has increased the concentration of the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere produced by the human activities such as deforestation and burning of the fossil fuels. Question number 2. Why is the Himalaya region called the water tower of Asia? The Himalaya region, as I have already told you, has a glacial cover of about 33,000 square kilometers, which act as a mother to the several streams and rivers and support economy and livelihood to the millions of the people in several countries of Asia. So it is called water tower of the Asia. Question number 3. What is the main sources of water in the Kashmir Valley? Floodplain lakes, high altitude Himalayan lakes, perennial rivers of Indus are the main sources of water in the Kashmir Valley. Kashmir Valley. Question number 4. Why is water the most precious natural resources? Water is the most precious natural resources because it saves our lives in many ways. We use it for drinking. Plants and other animals need water for their survival. It is used to generate electricity. It is used for agriculture and construction of houses. It is really a precious natural resource. Question number 5. How has the Kashmir been influenced by the global warming? Kashmir has been badly influenced by the global warming. Since the last 2 decades, many changes have been seen and witnessed in the Valley Kashmir. Water is becoming scarce day by day. To the melting of the Kolai Glacier, the main source of water in Kashmir, the climate has totally been changed. It is difficult to distinguish between spring, summer, and winter. It has also reduced the production of crops. Question number 7. What do you think the cause of decrease in the snowfall in Kashmir? As we know that the global warming changes in the precipitation in the air, this leads to the change in weather and climate to extreme weather. So we think that global warming is the cause of increase in the snow falling in Kashmir. Question number 8. What has been the impact of the global warming on J&K so far? Global warming has an adverse effect on J&K because demarcation between seasons that was well defined a decade ago has vanished. It is now difficult to distinguish between autumn and winter. Its impact can be seen on the glaciers and are continuously melting. High velocity storms are another factor of global warming in Jammu and Kashmir. In the last, we have a language work where fill in the blanks in the following sentences with the appropriate compound word phrases from the box below. First है White House और White House. White House में दो सेंटेंस है जैसे मैंने लिखा We live in a beautiful green house. My uncle built a greenhouse next to his house where he grows vegetable in the winter. Next, वर्ड है, इट इज वाइट, black box, stronghold, white collar. Most of the PhD only prefer white collar jobs. Here COLLAR. Whereas by wearing a shirt of white color, we also called that he was wearing pink shirt with a white collar. We live in the White House near a mosque. The President of America lives in the White House. My wife keeps her jewelry in a black box. The black box has been found. It will now be possible to find out why the plane crashed. For example, another sentence of stronghold. He has a stronghold on his wife. The southern part of the state is stronghold of the robbers. This is the last in the last students. I again advise you to note down all the questions and answers along with language work on your notebooks and learn them and revise them. Lesson is delivered by Mr. T.C. Chaudhary. Thank you once again students. I hope you will enjoy this lesson.